In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your forms text in HubSpot. Whether you're customizing forms for marketing campaigns or simply refining the aesthetics, knowing how to adjust the text settings in HubSpot is a valuable skill. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you understand each part thoroughly. First, let's begin by navigating to HubSpot's user guide. If you're familiar, good. If not, simply open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're on the main page, locate and click on the User Guide. This area is your starting point for accessing different functionalities HubSpot offers, including managing your forms. Next, we want to head to your account settings. Look for the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol, and give it a click. The settings menu is a hub of information and tools that will allow you to tweak various features, including the presentation of your forms. Don't worry if you feel overwhelmed by the number of options. I'll guide you through exactly what you need to do. Once in settings, we need to focus on the marketing section. This area is pivotal for anyone looking to customize marketing tools and assets such as forms. Click on Marketing and you'll see more settings related to your campaigns and interactive materials. This is where you can control how your audience interacts with your content. Now click on Forms. This will bring you directly to the management area for all the forms you've created within HubSpot. Here you can edit existing forms or create new ones. But today, our focus is on editing the text settings of these forms. As you navigate to this section, you should see a list of all your current forms. Within the Forms section, you will notice the option to click on Font Family. This is the moment where you can personalize the typography of your form. By changing the font family, you can upgrade the visual appeal and readability of your text, matching it seamlessly with your brand's voice and style. Take your time to browse through the font styles available. Adjustments to font family can significantly enhance the reader's experience by improving clarity and attention. Experiment with different fonts to see which best aligns with your brand's tone and message. The flexibility here allows your forms to stand out and ensure consistent branding across all your marketing materials. By following these steps, you have now successfully edited your forms text in HubSpot. Not only does this make your marketing materials more visually appealing, but it also strengthens your brand's identity. Remember, practicing these steps will ensure you become more efficient over time. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.